and we wish you all the best and more success in your career. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We're here again once again in the Philippines. All of us very, very happy to see you once again. Please come back again in the Philippines. Hi!
안녕하세요, Quezon Oppa. Congratulations to your 10th meeting here in the Philippines. And of course, to your new movie. Enjoy your stay here, Sunday.
안녕하세요. Pak Kim-son. Thank you so much for coming back to the Philippines. Always know that I'm here to support. 사랑해.
Annyeong Kim Sean-Hong, mabuhay. All the best in all your endeavors. God bless.
We love you, Kim Santos. Umiti ka naman dyan. Kaming bahala sa'yo.
Hi, Santo. Thank you very much for coming back to the Philippines. I'm very much excited to meet you today. Thank you very much for making me feel happy. And I will always root for you. Fighting!
Thank you for bringing warmth and happiness to all your fans, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. We love you very much and we hope you enjoy your stay here in Manila. Saranghae! Annyeong Oppa! Thank you, Sil. Saranghae!
I hope today reminds you how much you are loved and will be loved by your Filipino fans. We appreciate your hard work and we will support you all the way. Fighting! 행복하세요 and 사랑해!
Thank you for visiting us here in the project.
안녕하세요, 김선호. I wanted to thank you for being a good inspiration to me. Because of you, I am surrounded by Sanohanas who are good people and I consider them as my second family. Thank you for working hard and I promise that I will support you forever. 사랑해!
I'm so thankful that I knew you for your savings and everything. I love you. Sarange. And thank you for keeping your promise. Nababalikan mo kami. I'm so excited to see you. Bye!
You are our sunshine. We will always be by your side.
Umiti ka na ng siya. Ako bahala sa'yo. Fighting! Saranghae sana!
Maraming salamat sa pagbisita mo ulit dito sa Pilipinas. Sobrang saya namin mga fans mo. Grabe. Also, congratulations on your film. Good job. You will always have a special place in our hearts. We love you so much and we will always support you.
Congratulations mo. Welcome back to the Philippines. I'm so proud of your first film. And for your next projects, stay humble, stay young. And thank you for making us smile.
As fans, we really feel your sincere care and appreciation. We are very delighted to see you again. Your kindness and humility inspire us. We hope to see you soon at Hongdanchan. 수고하세요.
Annyeong Kim Sean-Hong, the one that my mom is ultimate bias. Love you so much. It's okay.
Continue inspiring us for you and we always here to support you no matter what because you deserve all the love and happiness in the world. Saranghae!
I know that your future is bright and also you have a very huge fan base that supports you and believes in you and I am proud to be one of them. Saranghae Oppa!
Beautiful messages coming from all of your fans. And on behalf of everyone right here, whatever happens, we are here to support you. Kaming bahala sa'yo. Would you love to say anything to all of your fans?
우선 너무 사실 여러분들이 보고 싶었어요.
First of all, honestly, I really miss you guys so much.
이럴 줄 몰랐는데 제 인생에서 처음 많은 사람들 앞에서 떡볶이도 나눠주고 그리고 그림도 그리고 대화도 하고 게임도 하면서 Love you too. 우리 팬분들이 말한 것처럼 또 새로운 가족들, 이렇게 가족들을 만나서 너무 행복하고 또 이렇게 정말 잊지 못할 것 같아요.
It was really unexpected that I would be cooking tteokbokki in front of a lot of people to play game and also draw and have a lot of conversation with the fans. But just like what one of the fans in the video said, we are one big family and I am so happy to be part of this family.
그리고 이렇게 필리핀 마니라에 온 순간부터 그런 영광스러운 사진들 그리고 응원 소리 그리고 이렇게 완벽하게 행복한 시간을 만들어준 벤치 저는 우리 벤치 가족들한테도 너무 감사하다는 인사 전하고 싶습니다.
I would like to sincerely express my gratitude as well to the bench team for making this possible with a lot of chance, support, and of course unforgettable memories that you will have with his fans.
배우로서 평생 추억으로 간직할게요.
As an actor, I will cherish today as an unforgettable memory.
살라마 뽀.
This is one of the reasons why we love you, why we adore you, because you are authentic and because you are real. Thank you. And everyone right here will never forget this day, correct? Which is why we would like all to thank Bench for making this fan meet possible. Palakpakan po natin ang Bench!